6 jobs, I don't get tired. I don't get tired. I don't get tired. I don't get tired. Get tired. I got 6 jobs, I don't get tired. Me and the woman I love on an air mattress, we share a car, my hair nappy, couldn't afford flights, no air travel, still Rice Krispies like sand grab, walking testament of what can happen. The moment you follow your heart, keeping the faith even when it get dark. They say give up as I tell them get lost. 6 weeks ago I just purchased a farm, most likely the one that you cannot afford. Right foot on the gas, Balenciaga be accelerating, I'm doing the dance. Chick that I'm with, started be doing her shit, and it's okay to say that she bad. Look to the right and I give her a glare. We don't worry. I was trying to get it how I live. I want them dead presidents. I wanna pull up, head spin.